Hi, my name is Christy. I am here to do a demonstration and basically do a product review for Thomas Tech's channel. So make sure you check it out and subscribe. Alrighty, so I'm going to open this first so I can just show it. It's probably buckled down on both sides. These products do not like me opening them. This might be the one you have to cut some of this out. Okay. Alright. A lot easier when you get that off of there. Okay. So, we have the Anker MagGo SD card reader. This is the box it comes in. This is the packaging. It looks like this. This is the teal color. And they also have it in black and white, which is shell white, and then the other one is just black. And this is Teal Oasis. Okay, so pretty simple looking device here, to be honest. Here's the ports to it, right? It's on a C port, so it supports up to 312 megabyte speed, a UHS-2, and if you're using a UHS-1 card, 104 megabytes would be the max speed. UHS-3 and SD Express cards would be limited to the max 312 megabytes speed of this reader. So, it won't work to record for Apple Camera app. You need to have another app like Blackmagic Camera in order for you to be able to do that with the Apple Kit. So you have that, and the magnet is really just to hold it. It does not charge it. So like I said, this is one that's pretty simple. Like you have like this right here. It comes off. So this is like your little charging like port right here, and then obviously this is just a space to hold it. So this is like a little piece that you would put in there to your phone. Yeah, so this piece goes to the phone, and then obviously this will go in the back of it, and then the magnet will hold it to the phone, and then like take this piece off, and then you have like your little part where your SD card will go into, and then this bigger part, this is just for, it'll even tell you back here, SD and TF. So the two different sizes that you would have to be able to make sure that your card fits, really. So that is what this is. And to be honest, and you just snap back on when you get done and put it back in the case. But one of the really nice things about this is, and here's your other port, is that it is more for people who are like cameramen who like to like record and like have a lot of footage on like a SD card. This is perfect for that kind of stuff, because then you can put it in there and it will, give you those images and stuff that you need. And that's why you need the correct apps that can actually work with it. So, really nifty little device. I'd say better for people who are transporting a large amount of files, and I would say pretty simple, and thanks for watching.